Hello. Today we are going to talk about how to create partners and counterparties in the system. The plan for today is the following. Firstly, I'll tell you about the difference between partners and counterparties, and then I'll show you how to create them both in the system. Once you've created the company, you need to register people you're going to work with. Any third party of the company can be registered in two different ways, as a counterparty or as a partner. Let's talk about the differences between them. The counterparties catalog contains the regulated information about the third party. For example, the taxpayer identification number, bank accounts, legal address, and so on. So basically, we can say that one counterparty is one legal entity. As for partners, one partner is not always equal to one legal entity. Usually, we create partners to register a more complicated organizational structure of our third party. For example, we can use partners to register retail chains when several retail outlets are owned by one legal entity. It's schema number 1. In this case, we register separate retail outlets as partners, and then we create a counterparty which combines them. Schema number 2 represents another complicated structure, a holding company consisting of several legal entities. And schema number 3 represents the simplest case, when one enterprise operates on behalf of one legal entity. In this case, a partner is equal to the counterparty. Now, let's see how it looks like in the system. If you're not going to register such complicated structures as retail chains and holding companies, you just register counterparties. To create a counterparty, go to Master Data and Settings, Counterparties. Here we can see the list of counterparties existing in the system. If the required counterparty is missing, click Create to create a new one. As you can see, the new counterparty registration wizard opens. Now we need to fill in the required fields. So I enter the abbreviated legal name, the email, If you want, you can also specify contact person details, such as last name, phone, email, and so on. I will not do it in my case. Click Next. And here we need to select the relationship type. So our counterparty can be a customer, a vendor, or other business relations, for example, a bank or a customs service. Here you can also specify the business address of the counterparty, which is the actual address of the company. You just click 3 dots, select the country, let it be South Africa, and enter any address. And click OK. If the legal address is the same as the actual address, just click the down arrow to copy it to the field. Okay, click Next. And specify the bank account details. Enter the bank account number and the bank name. And of course, select the correct currency. Then click Next and Create. Now the counterparty is created. You can edit data in the card and add some other details anytime you want. If you are going to register not only counterparties, but also partners, you need to enable it. Let's close everything and go to Master Data and Settings, CRM and Marketing. And under CRM Settings, we have the Keep Several Register of Partners and Counterparties checkbox. Once you enable it, you can register partners in the system together with counterparties. In this case, the Counterparties catalog will be replaced with the Partners catalog. Let's open it. And when you create a new partner, in this wizard, you will see that the partner is created by default. But if you want to create both a partner and a counterparty, you just select the checkbox. And now you can fill in the information about your counterparty together with the partner, so both partner and a counterparty will be created. We will not go through all the steps again, everything will be the same. I just want to show you how we can create an additional counterparty for the existing partner. For that purpose, we need to open any partner, let it be Best Textile, and click Counterparties at the top. Here you can create one or several counterparties for your partner. Well, that's it for today. We've talked about the differences between partners and counterparties, and now you know that a counterparty contains legal information about the third party, such as taxpayer identification number, and a partner contains management information about the company structure. You also know how to create both partners and counterparties in the system. I hope the video was useful. Bye for now.